Welcome guys to Jesse Farm. Remember last 2 weeks I was here at the farm and I told you these birds had just laid for 3 weeks and I was at 60%. So today's another Sunday and it makes exactly 1 month and 1 week. It's 2 weeks ago they were 3 weeks, so now 1 month and 1 week, and guess what, they're at 90%. So we're doing all the basics right, because there's nothing big you have to do. Let's do the basics right, guys. Just subscribe to this channel. Make sure you watch all the previous videos. There are videos on how to run your farm, on how to do your brood, because you have to do everything right from day one, from breeding. Make sure you get birds from the right place. Make sure, guys, you give them the right amount of food. Also give them the right food they have to take in. Make sure you disinfect, make sure you deworm, you vaccinate. There's nothing different you have to do. Just do all the basics right and make sure you do them. Problem is people hear these things and people know these things. There's nothing new, but people just end up not doing what they hear and see, because that's the only way you can get to this peak percentage. Because it's just 1.5 months, but now I'm at 90%. And my target is 96%. 96% is my general target. So I'm certain within 2 weeks from now, when they make 1 month and 3 weeks, I must be at 96%. And it has to run like that, at 96% for quite some time, for about at least 8 months. I have to keep it at 96%. Of course, there are fluctuations, because you have to keep on vaccinating monthly, deworming, and doing all those other things. Sometimes the weather, sometimes you can't be sure about the food you've got, sometimes there's new maize on the market and it kind of disturbs your production. But with all those kept constant, trust me, you're good. You're good to go at 96% for quite some time.